So hey guys, it's Ree, but if you're new to my channel, my name's Aderiyike. Excuse where I'm looking because I have a big screen. Finally have a screen where I can see myself. So I don't know where to look. But today I've just been scrolling through YouTube and I was like, I want to do a freaking makeup video. So I kept seeing like black and glitter and I was like, I did a black glitter big makeup tutorials, probably still on my channel if I haven't hit it, but I did a look like that and I was like, my makeup skills kind of went up a little bit, so let me see what I can do with it right now. So this is basically what I just decided to do. It's a cut crease. So let me know if you guys want to see these type of videos where I do like a big, where I get like people who have bigger eyeshadow spaces than me and how I translate it to my small, very tiny lips. So I'll leave my Snapchat, my Twitter and Instagram, anything that you guys need to know down below. The fuck. I didn't do like my foundation and stuff on camera because I usually do the same thing, and I think I'm getting better with like the color matching and stuff and where I want my foundation to match. So don't come for me if I didn't send for you. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, please continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see down below. It's the summertime. I'm taking every request possible. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. I don't know where to look right now because I have a screen that's projecting my camera and my camera screen is black, so I don't know where to look, but thank God I have a fucking screen so I can see stuff. I've been seeing like this thing going around. I burned myself so many times, like I have scars on scars from a fucking straightener, but I keep seeing these videos on YouTube about people doing black glitter, and I was just like, I have small eyes, so sometimes the looks that I see are not impossible, but you have to do a lot more than you would have to since I have small eyes, and usually people who do these big grand old looks have big lids. So I'm going to try out how to do black glitter on small eyes. I had like a black glitter big look tutorial like what, 2 years ago, but I don't know where I'm looking. I had it like 2 years ago, but obviously my makeup skills hopefully progressed. So I want to see how this looks now at this day and age. So of course, let me put my hair back. I don't know which side I want to do first. I'm gonna do this side first. So around my eyebrows I use my Fenty Beauty concealer 390. Almost done, surprisingly, that much. And then let me scoot it. Then I'm gonna take this, blend this out, whatever. Okay, so I think I'm gonna, oh shit, color would be so nice. Color would be so nice. Like a purple. Let me look at the color of the glitter. This is all spontaneous. Hello. This color. See this color? It's like a black, sparkly. It has sort of like a purple. Let's not start getting glitter everywhere. It's called Gunmetal from NYX. The liquid crystal body liner in the color Crystal Onyx, and it's like this black. So I want to do the brown. Let me just do the brown today because I'm gonna hate myself if I put glitter on. Removing glitter is not the thing. Once I remove my glitter, my makeup is being removed. Everything. So I'm gonna be taking the Huda Beauty powder in the color Kunafa. Use my light browns, my good browns, which obviously come from Juvia's Place. I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place Warrior palette. I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place Zulu palette first. I'm gonna start off with, I think Kano, this color right here as like a lighter transition shade, and then I'm gonna use the other color in the Zulu palette. And I'm gonna bring this pretty high, obviously, because your girl has no eyelids. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking the Zulu palettes and this rich, oh my god, I love this color. I totally forgot about this color, and I'll never forget about you again. I'm gonna be taking my Morphe, what is this, like the gilded collection, what is it, G18, like this, because I need it to be in one area and one area only. So I'm gonna just pack this into my crease until it becomes the richness that I need, and I'm not gonna blend it out yet. I'm just gonna leave it like that. There's really glitter. Tapping is better, in my opinion, to blend without losing that much color than swirling. You will have to do this for a very long time to get the blended effect, but it is better because you don't lose all that color you just fucking put on. Okay, so this is the fun part, you know, you dig what I'm saying, is when I have to get the perfect brown that's not gonna make me lose this color. And sadly, it is from the Jackson palette. I want to get rid of this palette so much, but the browns in this palette, can't find it. So I'm gonna use my, what is this, from the Eye Crease collection. I'm gonna just use the blending brush. I don't need to be all technical. Nobody's about to buy the same brushes that I use. So I think the best color I'm gonna use is, what is this, mocha? Oh, chip. Obviously we have a connection. I've noticed that I don't really need to drag everything this way. I'm taking my Pro Concealer in Porcelain, right? Because it's glitter, and when you close your eyes, usually that's how glitter transfers. Oh shit. You have to make this very high but very circular, not long. So I keep my eyes open. My Crystal Onyx, right, act as a base and just stripe it. It doesn't have to be all neat. You just need this as like a black base. Why do I keep doing a tutorial? I've never did this before. Take my lash grip, the worst glue I've ever used, which is, but it mimics what's it called, glitter glue. So I'm gonna mix this a little, get it tacky real quick. And this is the lash grip eyelash adhesive from Ardell. Worst glue ever. I'm really bold for using it. So I left a little right here, right? I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow. I think the only black eyeshadow I have is from the Jaclyn Hill palette, because I cracked the one in my Morphe 3502. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this. And smoke out the edges. This is basically what it looks like. I'm about to go do the other eye and then finish blending all this out, put some lashes on. Ew, I see glitter everywhere. And I'll be right back on camera to try and finish this look. Why is this camera angle so disgusting? Okay, so guys, this is basically how it turned out. I'm about to do my what's it called, face off camera, because it's basically the same thing that I've been doing, and this is all about my eyes. This is basically how it turned out, so I can't wait to see how it looks with like the foundation and stuff. And I just want anyone to know that if you're using the Ardell lash grip, you know it's not good. Throw it away. Get you some duo brush on adhesive, because it feels nice though, but like that glue sucks. This is basically how it's looking. So I can't wait to do my face. I don't know what color eyeliner I want to do, but yeah, low-key feeling myself. Low-key. Okay. Okay, so basically this is the end of my look. I don't know where to look, but I finished my foundation and stuff off camera, of course, because I've been doing like the same thing for how many years now. If you guys have any questions about like the foundation, concealer, or anything that I use, I'll leave that down below. But this is basically how the look turned out. Let me know what you guys think. I think I want to keep making my eyeshadow tutorials more like a big eyeshadow tutorial done on small lids, like how it's done on small lids, basically, because I am not conforming to the size of my lid to ever do eyeshadow. I just think that is extremely, that's like not me, like that is too, it's way too small. I don't want to deal with it. But this is basically the finished look. Let me know what you guys think down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And so sorry if I'm looking 3 different ways. I have a screen right there, so I don't know where to look up or look this way, or in the camera, or in the lens, or in the screen, or in the mirror. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.